MzeroA Nation, how do you know if you're too sick to fly? What's up, MzeroA Nation? It's Matthew, and today we're talking about flying under the weather. And I don't mean flying under the clouds. There are many different physical and mental health factors that can impact our safety while flying. This can include flying with a headache, any type of sinus or head congestion, or even stress and anxiety. All of these things can affect your ability to operate an aircraft in a safe manner. A good way to analyze your risk factors during a pre-flight is running through the I'm Safe checklist. The FAA's I'm Safe checklist is one way pilots can determine that they are not posing any fitness or medical risks before flying. If a pilot gets in the habit of using this checklist, it could minimize safety risks while also allowing pilots to operate at peak performance. Remember, the I'm Safe checklist is super important. I myself have accidentally flown when I was sick. I remember I took a flight one day, I felt great, I went through my checklist, and I got all the way up to cruise and felt fine. On that descent that day, I could start feeling some pressure build up in my sinuses. It was not the most pleasant experience. So definitely always use the I'm Safe checklist. Make sure you're being very healthy when you fly and being conservative with your actions. Have you accidentally ever flown when you're sick? Do you use the I'm Safe checklist? Let us know in the comments below. And remember, a good pilot is always learning.